Hi there, Scott Milligan here at SkipperBud's up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here is one of our 2023 Element E18s that we have a fantastic deal on. You can see this boat's got plenty of room throughout it. Filler cushion up front that you can put in or out. Plenty of cleats all the way throughout. It's on a single axle trailer. We have this boat equipped with a Mercury 115 on the back. See a little bit of extended swim platform on each side here. It's both white and black with the gray interior. You see some of the additional filler cushions there. Boat is rated for 8 people. Does come with a telescoping and tilt wheel. The Bluetooth stereo. Does have the snap in, snap out seaweave carpeting. Does have a full bimini. This particular boat also has a full cover. See a nice swing tongue trailer, so plenty of saving space so you can store this in your garage. Of course, your navigation lights. Look at her here. Particular boat does not have a ski tow, but we have been adding the turbo swings to them. If you'd like to add one, we can. Got some nice seats here for the passenger. Sit either forward or actually sit facing backwards. Nice little storage cup. You do have a USB port in there and a 12-volt receptacle. Blow up any devices that you have out with you. Driver's seat there. Does come with a little windshield. And this boat is equipped with hydraulic steering, which is a big plus, makes the boat easier to steer. So there you have it. Well, if you have any further questions on this boat or any other particular boat that we have in our inventory, please give us a call. We are happy to help.